Is the 8th of May, and our today's Viva topic, which is string constant pole. So basically the string constant pole is nothing but the special type of area which is present in the heap area also. So heap area, as we know, the it is the part of the Java virtual machine, and it is the we can use the storage as a heap. So string constant pole is also the present or make some space in that heap memory to storing the particularly the strings literals. So now I am going to cover all that basic concept of the string constant pool. I think it is little bit sticky to understand, but uh, I will I will try to better understand what is exactly the string constant pool. So basically, the in the string constant pool, we already discussed that the string we can create with using the two methods, which is using the literals, and the second one which is using the new keywords. So when we create a string using the new keywords, so basically when we use as a new keyword, then already I know that we also know that the new keyword is used to instantiate, or we can say it creates the object in the heap memory also. So when we create the string using a new keyword, then we are sure that the one object is already created in the heap memory. So and another object which is we can use as a future. So why we are use as a future the second object which is present at the SCP, which is string constant pool, which we declare as a new keyword. So basically I will tell you after the at the end of video that why we use the new keyword when we create a new keyword string, then another object is stored at a SCP. I will tell you in the end of the video. So basically, the when we create a string using the literal, that means, for example, if I create using a string s1 equals to hello. So basically, this string is created at the SCP area, which is present in the heap. So basically, the literal object and s1 has point to that particular literals. So when we create using a new keyword string, so using with the help of new keyword, the JVM allocates the memory for that particular string which is in the heap memory. So and the copy of that particular literal which is present at the SCP area. So basically, when we create using literal, first one which is s1 equals to hello, and another one using a new keywords. So string s2 equals to new string, which is also we can pass as a literal hello also. So in that scenario, the first string will be allocate the memory or created the object at the SCP area, and another using the new keyword the heap area created the objects, and another copy which is present uh, at the SCP area. So basically, when it will be JVM creates the objects which is a heap area for that s2 string and another copy of that. So in that SCP area, first JVM checks that it has this particular literal is already available or not for that particular string constant pool area. So if it is available, then it don't create to object another object for that same literal of strings. So except of this, it points to the old one literal strings. So that means it is help to save our memory, and when we it refers to the old objects, that means s2 it points to the s1 literals, which is also the hello. So these are the benefits of the string constant pool, which is it saves a lot of memory, and I think it is very efficient than the new keywords, because in the heap memory there is no functionality of that heap memory which is present for that functionalities, which is where we create a same literal strings with the different reference variable of that strings. So heap memory, it don't check that this string literal is already present or not. So it directly using the new keywords, with the help of new keywords, it directly create the objects in the heap memory. So there is not functionality which is available in the heap memory, but in other hand we can say the SCP has the ability to check that if this string is available or not. So it saves also the lot of our memory, and it is very efficient. And another we can say, when we create two or three objects, when we pass as a reference different type of reference variable to the particular string which is present in the string constant pool. So basically it points the same strings, then we can use the same string in a different places also in our Java programs. So these are the basic concept of SCP. Now I will tell you that what exactly the why the creates the variable which is present at the SCP for the future time. Because when we create a string using the new keyword for that same literals, so it directly points to the old one literals which is present in the SCP area. So it will be very beneficial. So that's all about the string constant pool and heap memory. That's all from my side. Thank you.